Hey people, welcome to Nasika's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make a tea item. And for the ingredients, I'm going to use a 1/3 cup of multi-purpose flour, I'm going to add in my bowl 1 teaspoon of cardamom, though it's optional. Three teaspoons of sugar, there I'm going to mix everything together. After that, I'll add some water, and in the place of water you can add milk. It's very fine. And continue mixing until it forms a very thin paste. I like the consistency. I'll continue adding just a little water, and ensure you don't have lumps in your batter or mixture. You can see. Then I'll add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Continue mixing. Add 1 egg. Continue whisking. Finally, I'll add vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon, and continue whisking again so that everything gets incorporated well. I really like the mixture. It's good to go. So in my sandwich maker, I'm going to apply some oil so that it does not stick, or you can use margarine, it's also okay. And both sides, the down and the upper part. Then I'll add my batter or my mixture in it. You can see how smooth it is. It's good to go. I'm going to shut it. And put it on so that it can start cooking. And when it will be off, it will be ready. So you can see one side has already cooked. I'm going to turn the other side. So that both sides can cook well. It's ready. You can see the lights have gone off. Then they look amazing. I'll serve. So guys, you should try out this amazing recipe as a breakfast item and you'll thank me later. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.